Okay, let's do a quick example of how to use Xcode to compile and run programs. I already got Xcode out of the the App Store so that we can use it. Um, we're going to start off with a project to see how things work. Um, the project we want is we want to run it on OS X, right? We want to run it on our screen here. So I'm going to choose application um, and then command line tool, kind of the basic way to do it. And then I'm going to hit next. We need to give each project a name and then sort of a grouping classification. So I'll just call this one test 2 because I already did test 1. I'm going to hit next. Okay, and then it's got some other pieces, so I'm just going to create it, controlling where it goes. I'm just going to throw it on the desktop for now. Okay. And then what we have over here on this side is the project and then all of the things that are related to it. The one we're really just interested in this semester is the main CPP. So I'm going to click open main CPP. So this looks a little different than the code that I had put in. It has a std : in front of the cout, and it doesn't have the using namespace. So they both work the same. I'll kind of make it look like the code that I've been giving. Right, so after we have code the way we want it, whether we're cutting and pasting or typing, we're going to hit the run button over here. Run, and then it compiles it, builds it, and then the output ends up down here at the bottom. So this is sort of where things happen. A lot of mine pop up a different little window that display what's happening. One more item of note. Let me match this to one of the lab assignments, and I'll create a string called sentence. I'll say cout enter a oops. This is input, and I'm just doing this as an example. I don't really want to explain it. I just want to give you an overview of how that works. When I run it, I hit the run, compiles, builds it, and then I go. And all it does down here is it says enter a sentence, right? It didn't do the hello world part. That's because it's sitting down here waiting for me to put in a sentence. Say I type in hello there, right? It's a slightly different font, and then hit enter. And then it continues with the rest of the program. When I'm done, well, I guess I'll be done with this then.